Do you want to speak English better? You can learn fast if you do simple things every day. Here are 4 easy ways to help you improve your English. 1. Listen to English every day. Listening helps you understand English. You don't need a lot of time. Just 10 minutes is good. You can listen to English songs, videos, or easy podcasts. What you can do: listen when you eat, walk, or rest. Use English subtitles. Try to say the same words out loud. 2. Speak English, don't be shy. Speaking is important. It's okay to make mistakes. Try to speak every day. Talk about your day, your family, or your hobbies. You can also speak to yourself. What you can do: say simple sentences in English. Practice with a friend. Use apps to talk with people in English. Repeat what you hear in videos. 3. Learn words and phrases. Grammar is good, but you also need useful words. Learn short phrases and expressions that people use every day. This helps you speak naturally. What you can do: write new words in a notebook. Use new words in your own sentences. Learn phrases like, "How are you?" "I don't know," or "That's great." 4. Study a little every day. You don't need to study for hours. Just 15 minutes every day is enough. It's better to learn a little every day than a lot one day. What you can do: make a daily plan for English. Read a short text or watch a short video. Review old words often. Don't stop, keep going every day. Remember, you can do it. Be patient and practice every day. You will see your English get better and better.